watch.
Okay.
This here's a little cat. She is going to kill you.
Okay. Now just watch her kill you.
Close your eyes. We'll tell you when to open. Open.
I didn't even get to see her.
All right. Partner start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Little jump. Big jump. Oh. Up 2. No, stop it right now, Missy. Don't give me attitude. Get him on. Dip. Cradle. Yeah.
Get your
Wait, don't stop. Don't stop it. Best does. 5, 6, 7. Bounce. Bounce. Throw. Basket toss full. 5, 6, 7. Bounce. Bounce. Yeah! Now let's do a back tuck.
Oh, she loves these.
5, 6, 7. Now let's do a full.
She's probably like had a concussion. She has a concussion.
Try that again, Ari. You want to see her full?
No.
Okay, this is her full.
No. I don't want to see her full.
No, it's really good. Now go back and spin. Oh. No, I gotta redo that. Ready? Dip.
No, stay here, pumpkin.